Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 BMW M4, a coupe that blends speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology like no other. The M4 is designed to make a bold statement on the road with its aggressive stance, muscular lines, and roaring exhaust. Whether you're tearing down the highway or attacking corners on a racetrack, this high-performance machine promises an exhilarating driving experience. The 2025 BMW M4 comes equipped with a twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, providing serious power and precision. The base model pushes out 473 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for those who crave a purist's driving experience. If you want more power, the competition model steps it up to 503 horsepower and includes an 8-speed automatic transmission. And if you go for the xDrive all-wheel drive system, BMW adds another 20 horsepower, bringing the total to 523, which enhances both straight-line performance and handling in corners. But if you're a track enthusiast, the M4 CS is the star of the lineup. With a whopping 543 horsepower and 45 pounds of weight shed from the standard model, the M4 CS is agile, quick, and a force to be reckoned with. BMW has finely tuned the suspension across all models to provide incredible grip. But be warned, the stiffer setup means you'll feel every bump in the road, making it a true driver's car. Step inside, and the M4's cabin offers the perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. M Sport seats provide excellent support, with the option to upgrade to carbon fiber bucket seats if you're looking to shave off even more weight. The interior is trimmed in carbon fiber, and the thickened steering wheel offers better control when pushing the car to its limits. On the tech front, the 2025 M4 introduces BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system. It's intuitive and easy to use, with added connectivity features and over-the-air updates to keep it current. The exterior also gets a refresh, with laser diode tail lamps and newly designed forged alloy wheels that enhance the car's athletic appearance. Performance-wise, the 2025 BMW M4 is as fast as it looks. The base model rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, while the competition model cuts that time down to an astonishing 2.8 seconds. Combine that with sharp, responsive steering and optional carbon ceramic brakes, and you've got a car built for serious speed and performance, whether on the road or the track. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 BMW M4. If you're looking for a blend of power, precision, and luxury, this car delivers it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.